Dear learners, in part A of complete Python programming course for beginners, we started with the fundamentals. You learned some very basic fundamental concepts like platform installation, running your very first Hello World program, what are different execution modes, and explored character sets. We also tried to cover crucial concepts like operators, expressions, statements, input handling, type conversion, error handling, and control flow. We also had hands-on experience with variables, functions, recursion, and essential data structures like strings, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. I'm sure you must be practicing the recommended lesson exercises to reinforce your learning. I want you to embark on this super thrilling journey with us and master Python programming. Now, in part B, we are all set to take your skills to the next level with computational thinking and problem solving. You're going to learn module creation, exception handling, file manipulation, and dive into the world of object oriented programming. We are also going to explore together advanced data structures, stacks, queues, and decks. So essentially, a data structure is a way, is a storage so that you can store data and access data efficiently. We are going to delve into sorting algorithms, bubble sort, insertion sort, and selection sort. So in computer science, a sorting algorithm puts elements of list into an order. The frequently used orders can be alphabetical, lexical or dictionary, or in an ascending or a descending order. Additionally, we are going to tackle with searching algorithms, linear search, binary search, and hashing. Searching algorithms are used to search for an element or access an element in a data structure where it is stored. And what's more, you will have the chance to apply your newfound knowledge in coding exciting games and programs. Just like in part A, I will highly recommend to practice the lesson exercises to solidify your understanding on programming skills and become a proficient. So join us on this exciting journey to become a Python pro. Happy coding!